crochet? Do you have trouble changing colors, figuring out how to weave in all those ends, and even figure out which colors to pick? Let me teach you, because I have everything you need, tips and tricks from the basic to the more advanced, no matter which pattern or pattern style you're picking. I will teach you everything you need to know about changing your colors during crochet and figuring out how to weave in all those ends. Let me help you feel happier and more relaxed when you crochet, have more endless possibilities on which patterns you can pick, and crochet in a more happy and peaceful manner. Join me at my 3-part workshop where I teach you how to change colors, weave in your ends, and figure out which colors to even pick a happier person. Join me at my 3-part workshop. Sign up now.